Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Vechain. Recently, the price on a Vechain has broken out this very long-term down channel. You can see that since after the month of Feb 2024, it was moving inside this channel. We had stable ejections at the resistance here, stable touch points at the support here. By the way, we had a fake out, then we got rejection here. Here we had another spike beyond the support, but the price then did not break it down. Then we had another bounce here, rejection, and finally we have broken out the resistance of the channel. By the way, the technical target that I was telling you in my previous videos for this breakout was here at the top of the channel at 5.2 cents. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target and moved very close to this next long-term resistance of 8.5 cents, but could not hit that resistance. Now, recently, we have broken down the support of 5.6 cents. That was recently breaking at the resistance here, and now it is flipped into a support. There's a quite long-term resistance, by the way. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 5.6 cents has been even here working as a very strong support from the month of May 2021 up till the month of July 2021. And here after the breakdown, it was flipped into resistance. And now again, it is working as a very strong resistance. And here we have a quite long-term support as well. That is at 3.9 cents. That was recently working as a resistance here. Before that, it has been breaking as a support here as well. Now, recently, for the past several weeks, you can see that it is breaking at the resistance. By the way, here it was also breaking at the resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for VeChain that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And it's a quite long-term trade signal because it's formed on the monthly time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for VeChain as well that I shared a few days ago on 12th of January 2024. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for VeChain that I shared a few days ago on 12th of January 2024 with my members. And that was a bullish candle pattern that VeChain completed on a 1 hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. A buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and nicely moved up from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let me to show you this long-term trade setup that is still in play. And I shared this signal almost 2 years ago with my members on 1st of June 2022. And this is a very big bullish candle pattern that VeChain completed on a monthly time frame chart. The recent one that I was showing you here, this was very short term. It was formed on a 1 hour time frame chart. And this move is formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this falls a quite long-term trade setup and still in play. If I play this chart, then you can see that the price end is slightly geared up, but still moving inside this potential reversal zone. And the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Scarlet pattern start from 14.82 cents and goes to 23.42 cents. And by the way, if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of VeChain, and here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that recently it was moving inside this very long-term down channel. Now for the breakout, the target was here at the top of the channel at 5.2 cents, but the price and rallied beyond that target. Now we have again broken down the support of 5.6 cents, and right now the price and is getting accumulated between these major support and resistance levels. The resistance is at 5.6 cents, and the support is here at 3.9 cents. That has been recently working as a resistance here, support here, resistance here, and before that, it had been working as a support here as well. Therefore, again, for the past few weeks, it is working as a very nice support. Now, here on this 7 days time frame chart, you can see that the pricing is also having a very nice support of EMA 21 as well, the exponential moving average 21. That was recently working as a very strong resistance for the past several months. And here for several months, it has been working as support. And here for several weeks a month, it has been working as a very strong resistance. Therefore, now again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of VeChain, and we almost have this support almost at the same level where we have the support of 3.9 cents. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart, we have already broken out this wedge. And the target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of this wedge. That is somewhere between 27 cents to 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.